Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation of Cloud Surveillance and Smart Home. Compro has launched our cloud service, C4 Home, last year, and we are thrilled to receive so many positive feedbacks from our users. Our users are happy about the various features provided by C4 Home, as long as the peer-to-peer connection, the two-way audio, the easy QR code installation, and of course the camera sharing. So today we're very excited to be able to introduce the next step for C4 Home, and that's Smart Home, the home automation integration. So let's go directly to the demonstration. And this is the interface of C4 Home. We support C4 Home on iOS and Android. So you can log in with your account. So you can see my account, I have 3 cameras. So let's select one and go to the preview window. So as you can see, we already have so many features on the preview mode. So you can take snapshots, use the audio alarm, and most importantly, you can use the two-way audio because our camera supports a built-in speaker and microphone. So you can speak to the people in front of your camera. See, the two-way audio is responsive and the audio quality is great. And also, there's a very neat feature. It's called preset point, because sitting right here is the star of today, TN900R, and it's a PTZ camera. So traditionally, using PTZ camera on the smartphone, you need to swipe your fingers all the way to the position that you like. With C4 Home, you can set up several preset points. It means several locations. So after that, you can just select the preset point and the camera will turn directly to the location that you like. So this is very easy to use and lightning fast. And this is the TN900R camera. It supports 720p HD resolution. Also, as you can see on the bottom left, we have temperature there. So TN900R comes with a built-in temperature sensor. So of course you can check out the current temperature of your room. So you can put the camera in the baby's room or your kitchen, so that you can get the direct real-time temperature from the camera. And you can go to the setup and define a normal room temperature. So if the temperature is too high or if it's too low, it will send you a real-time notification, so that even you're not monitoring your room, you will get a notification about that there's something wrong with your house. So let's go back to the preview mode. The TN900R, the R stands for remote control. And what we do is we turn this camera into the remote center of your house. So basically, it can learn virtually any remote controllers of your house, and in turn, you can control your devices on your mobile through our camera. For instance, I want to turn on this TV with our camera. So as you can see, we only need to select the TV profile and press the power button, and the camera will turn directly to the location of the TV and turn up the power. Now it's on, but it takes some time. Okay, and maybe I want to listen to some music, so I can turn on the media player too. So what we do is that we already learned several remote controllers. So now we can use a unified app to control all these devices. Since I'm listening to the music, maybe I can turn up the volume a little bit. And I can turn it down. So I'm controlling the TV. And maybe I want to select a different track of the music. So all you have to do is use our C4 Home app. Now you can control the TV and the media player. And if I want to watch a movie, I can turn on my lamp. There you go. So you might wonder, does my lamp support remote control? Well, it doesn't. But we have this small gadget. It's the IR power switch. It receives remote control signal, so it can turn on and turn off the power. So we basically connect our lamp to this power switch and control its power through our camera. Did I forget anything? Oh, I forget to feed my pet. So we have a pet feeder here. And I can feed my pet remotely through my camera. So how do we do it? Of course, because my pet feeder supports remote control. So all I have to do is learn the remote controller to the pet feeder, and I can remotely feed my pet. And the beauty of it is that if I only use the pet feeder, I don't know what's going on, does it work or not. But with TN900R, I can double check with my own eye. Is the pet feeder working? Does my dog or my pet actually eat its lunch? And last but not least, we have a NAS here. It comes from a sister. And NAS is the multimedia center of your house, and it can also be the surveillance center of your house. So let's switch the source to the NAS output. And Asus's NAS supports HDMI output, and of course it also supports remote control. So now we're controlling the NAS through our camera. It supports the standard Chrome browser and the YouTube. Now in the center it has a surveillance center. So let's go direct in. There you go. So these channels are set up with our cameras right beside the TV. So with the NAS integration, actually we combine the entertainment and the surveillance together. Along with the remote control capability, this is our vision of home automation and smart home. So finally, I want to introduce one of our most requested functions from our users, and that's the cloud video recording. So we can go to the event list. In the free version of C4 Home, we already support event recording with snapshot of recording on your SD card. So later this year, we will introduce our paid service. It's the cloud video recording. So now you can record all your video with the events in the C4 Home server. It will be safely stored in the server, so you don't need to worry about you're running out of free space of your SD card, or there's an intruder. Just unplug your camera, because all of your files are safely stored in the cloud. And because the sheer number of the recorded files, we also added a search box so that you can quickly filter the file you want. For instance, you can choose the camera. So we have two. That's searchable. And the event type, we support motion detection, audio detection, I/O, and temperature sensor that we just mentioned earlier. And finally, of course, you can choose the time frame that you want to search. So let's search for some files. And all these files are just has been recorded today. Okay, it takes some time. So there are like 100 of files. So let's just randomly choose one and start playback. So you can play back the video file directly on the mobile or tablet. And all these files are stored in the C4Home server. All you have to do is subscribe the recording service. And also because the file number is so large, we also added a very neat timeline user interface that you can quickly browse around all of your files. So, with the home automation integration and the cloud recording service, this wraps up our presentation today. So thank you for joining us.